Today we're gonna be making beetroot salads with vinegar. Amazing. It's steak, mashed potatoes, whatever actually. I love making. We just need boiled beetroot in a grater. Still need to grate. We have about 1 kilogram of boiled beetroot. So I have to work to finish all. Now, after everything is grated, we need about a cup from the juice that the beetroot boiled, so we can make a dressing. Okay, put this back. So we have about a cup. Pour it over. And we are gonna need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar, depending how sour you like it. Like, I don't want mine to be too much vinegary, I guess. And next, about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Alright. Black pepper. About a teaspoon, and salt, depending how salty you like it, but I use about the same, 1 teaspoon. Now mix everything together. It needs a little bit of salt. This is what it looks like when it's done. And we can place it in this and put it in the fridge. As you can see, it has to have some liquid so that it doesn't go bad. And you can keep it in the fridge for up to about 1 week. My beetroot salad. Enjoy!